This is the old Spanish bridge built in the 1800s. The river used to flow through here, but it was diverted a long time ago. So this is one of the old Spanish bridges located in Hagatna. Yeah, like I said, it was built in the 1800s. Part of it's been restored. I guess it had some damage from the war. So it's not all old, but what are you gonna do, right? It's pretty cool anyways. This is the mermaid. Her name is Serena. She was cursed by her mother in anger and turned her into a mermaid. Yeah, it's only 10 a.m. out here in Guam and it's already hot, so got me a nice coffee at this Java Cafe. Tastes pretty good. It's caramel flavor or something like that. It's good. Try it out.